Do your teeth look like that in the picture? In that case, you may be grinding your teeth unknowingly at night. The condition is called as bruxism, and the appearance on the teeth is called as attrition. Attrition, in case of bruxism, is seen in all the teeth, whereas if it is seen only in one teeth, it may be due to a projecting teeth on one side as compared to the other side, and the body trying to maintain that occlusion or the tooth to tooth contact. The treatment for attrition is to place a crown. If there is any exposure of the root canal, do a root canal treatment, placement of a crown, and in order to prevent the habit, to place a night guard or a mouth guard. For that, a dental visit is mandatory. Bruxism not only causes teeth wearing away, but also causes temporomandibular joint or the ear joint complications. It may also result in the muscles of the face feeling very tensed or feeling very stressed. So all these are the manifestations of stress, and treatment is essential to be done as early as possible.